RYK Job Fair Mela, that is FAPSI RYK Job Fair Mela, Rajiv Yoga Kirna Mela actually. And we had conducted around 19 job melas in Andhra Pradesh. We have taken more than 6,000 students who were shortlisted, FAPSI RYK Job Fair Mela, and among that more than 3,000 were employed. Truly speaking, industry and government has to join together. There is still the transition gap is there between the government and the industry. No doubt in the colleges we couldn't able to get that skill set what is required for the industries, and that is really mismatched somewhere which need to be addressed properly so that this we can take it forward. In the industry we have seen, because everybody may be knowing it, that industry, the name itself, in means inside, dust is a symbol of pollution, and tree where you get fruits. To get a fruit from a tree, our tree is surrounded inside the dust, and we get only seasonal fruits. So it is very difficult that we have to cope up in the industry. At the same time, if the skill set is not there from the students, it is very difficult to cope it up. We have to match that, and that is what we tried to convey to the colleges also, and we request government also that we should have somewhere, I mean, this gap should be minimized. I'll just share one small story with you. There was one person who was unemployed. He was not having any job. He was in a village, remote village, and he was having a good physique. He has requested everybody that kindly give me some job, I need for food and all that. Nobody was offering him. Somebody told him, why don't you go to the city actually, there you will get a good job because your physique and body is good. Started moving from the village. When he came down after the forest, he could see one sawmill. Then the sawmill said, the person asked him, where are you going? He said, I am going to get a job in the city actually. He said, why don't you work? You have such a good physique. Why don't you work in my industry? He said, what I am going to get? He said, you just cut the number of trees. Whatever trees you cut, I will pay accordingly. And in the first day, he was given an axe and he cut 6 trees in the first day. Everybody appreciated that people not used to cut more than 2 trees. He could have cut 6 trees in a day. After third day, he could able to cut only 4 trees. And after 7th day, he was not able to cut even a single tree. The owner came and asked, what is the problem? The man said, sir, I am making my own effort. I am sweating like anything, but I am unable to cut the tree, single tree today. I don't know what's the problem. Then the owner said, your skill set should be softened. The axe which is there, it should be sharpened, because the first day when you have used it, it was good actually, and you have not sharpened that has become burr, and that's why you are unable to cut it. So we have to sharpen our skill set, then only we will start growing, otherwise we will not grow. And engineering colleges or wherever we study actually, that is a rubber stamp for us that they give you a sharpening, but end of the day, when we come out of it, we never look it, because I have also studied in BITS Pilani. What education we got it there was really useful when we have come out of it. There was a little gap when I studied in Hyderabad, my schooling, and when I went there and studied, there was a big gap. And that gap till today, it is so much useful that I can correlate so many things with the nature, because the things which is really available in this world has come from the nature.